Punctuality is most important in court. When a defendant arrives hours late for his own trial, the judge teaches him a lesson he will never forget.
Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon. What's your name, sir?
Travis Goodwin.
You know what? I sent Del Bosco away because you came in so late.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry about that, Judge.
We're gonna reset this. Because I have to give him an opportunity to. Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes. Well, Judge, I don't.
Whoa. It's just a yes or no. It's yes or no. If you don't have a valid license, we're resetting. It's gonna give you time to get a valid license.
I just wanted to explain. So I got it. I just didn't take the road test. I got the permit.
You have a permit then?
Yep.
And when do you take the road test?
I was thinking about taking. I just got in a crash in December 17th, so I haven't been really been thinking about driving. But I'll take it care of in January to take my road test.
All right, so you come back with a license. As long as the permit is valid, we'll accept that.
Oh yeah, it is.
Come back on. Can we give him a closer coordinator?
This is Travis Good.
Travis Goodwin. Yeah. It's called the City of Detroit versus Travis.
You can have.
Goodwin. Case number SP 123733011, SP 127434041, SP 1645500, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1358251, SP 1375791, and the State of Michigan versus Travis Goodwin, case number SX 4382100, counts 1 and counts 2. Here's for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Goodwin.
If the officers are given January 24th.
No, some of the officers didn't show.
Oh, okay.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Goodwin. State your name for the record, please.
Travis Goodwin.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. So I'll tell you what, Officer Bilal showed, Officer Del Bosco showed. None of the other officers I see have shown.
So there would be two suspended, one suspended and one improper license charge.
And he says he has a license.
Wondering if Mr. Bowen, Mr. Bowman, sir, do you have your permit? Can you show it to us?
No, we're gonna run it. Run the
Okay.
see if the system works.
So Travis
For Goodwin, please.
Okay.
License is valid.
Well, I would move for dismissal of the charges then, Your Honor. I'd move for no POs on the officers that did not appear on the matters that were set for trial day. It stipulates probable cause and ask them to be dismissed based upon compliance.
Mr. Bowman, would you can respond on that? Any objection, Mr. Bowman? What I have here is I have a number of officers that didn't show. I have one officer left without saying anything, and I released Officer Del Bosco because Mr. Goodwin wasn't here yet. He has the two that the officers did appear, albeit the one left without being. They are licensed improper, and drove while license suspended. And the motion is dismissing the ones where there are no officer and then giving him a dismissal for the ones that he had, does not have, that the officers were, that were here, but he's based on him having a valid driver's license. You're unmuted if you're muted if you're trying to respond.
Who, me, Judge?
No, Mr. Bowman.
Thank you, Your Honor. Part of the problem was that Mr. Goodwin came in late, and there was releasal of these officers because
Release of one officer.
Release of it. Well, I'm going to say two officers. I'm going to say Delbosky and Bilal, because Bilal was here.
Bilal left though. He never was in here when I told the box. Well, let's say release of both. Okay, let's say that. Go ahead.
Okay, and so we have release of officers who were here, and the reason of the release was because Mr. Goodwin was late. And so I don't think Mr. Goodwin gets any good faith for dismissals of these charges because of his tardiness. So I'd request, I'd object to the adjournment, and we schedule these cases for trial.
Okay, there was not an adjournment request, Mr. Bowman. The officers that were not here, I asked for.
Stop, please. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna grant your motion for the officers that did not appear and that were never here. I'll grant your motion for that. I'll dismiss those cases. And then we will set a new date for the other two cases that for Officer Bilal, who did show, albeit I don't even think he was here when I told him that, but I don't know. I can't say that for sure. And Officer Delbosky, who I know was here, and I excused him because I didn't think Mr. Brown showed. Okay, so
and I will indicate that the people's offer as it relates to Bilowski's ticket and Bilal's ticket would be in two allowings.
So that's the offer. Two allowance, $240 a piece. We'll dismiss it upon payment, or we'll reset it for another trial date. What do we want to do? Ms. Soroki, what does your client want to do? You want to speak to him?
I'm just gonna ask court to set it for a trial date. He can come back with his full license then and get both those matters dismissed.
That's still gonna be up to the people.
That's true, because if he doesn't, then these offers go away.
If he doesn't what?
If he doesn't come back on the trial date and have valid driver's license.
So basically, come back on what day?
Oh,
I'll just give him March the
21st.
March the 13th. Let's give him March the 13th.
Oh.
On the trial date. That's you come back with a full license now. Don't let that permit expire.
Okay.
March the 13th trial. 2025 at 9 a.m. All right. And don't be late. Don't be late, Nick. Best of luck to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
A man named Travis Goodwin arrived hours late to his own court trial, and the judge immediately warned him that punctuality is extremely important in court. Travis apologized and explained that he only had a driving permit and had not yet taken his road test after being involved in a car crash. During the hearing, some police officers failed to appear, while others had already been excused because Travis was late. His lawyer requested dismissal of the charges, but the prosecutor argued that Travis should not benefit from dismissals because his lateness caused problems in the case. The judge dismissed some charges where officers never appeared, but scheduled a new trial date for the remaining cases and warned Travis not to be late again. In the end, Travis received another court date along with a strong lesson about respecting the court's time and rules.